Join me as I dive into the secret tax avoidance strategies that wealthy individuals use, and see if I can uncover their hidden tactics. Tax avoidance is a game changer for the wealthy. It's not just about saving money, it's about keeping more of what you earn. For affluent individuals, tax strategies are an essential part of their financial planning. They know that the right moves can make a huge difference in their bottom line. The wealthy have teams of experts who help them navigate the complex world of tax laws. They know every loophole, every deduction, and every exemption. This expertise allows them to minimize their tax liability and maximize their wealth. It's a level of sophistication that most regular folks can't match. But here's the thing, tax avoidance isn't just for the ultra-rich. Understanding how the wealthy play the game can give you insights into your own financial strategy. You might not have a team of accountants, but you can still learn from their tactics. Many people see taxes as a necessary evil, a burden they have to bear. But the truth is, taxes are a fact of life, and everyone has to deal with them. The problem is, the system can be complex and overwhelming, especially for regular individuals who don't have the same resources as the wealthy. The wealthy have a different approach to taxes. They see them as an opportunity to optimize their financial situation. They use their knowledge of tax laws to minimize their tax liability and maximize their savings. Regular individuals, on the other hand, often feel like they're at a disadvantage. They might not have the same level of expertise or resources as the wealthy. But that doesn't mean they can't learn from their strategies. One of the main challenges regular individuals face is understanding the tax laws and regulations. The system is complex, and it can be hard to know where to start. The wealthy, on the other hand, have experts who help them navigate the system. Another challenge is the lack of access to the same resources and opportunities. The wealthy have more options available to them, from offshore accounts to high-end investment strategies. But what if I told you that some of these strategies aren't just for the ultra-rich? That there are ways for average earners to use the same tactics to minimize their tax liability? Offshore accounts are one strategy the wealthy use to avoid taxes. By stashing their cash in countries with lower tax rates, they can keep more of their money. But that's not the only trick up their sleeve. The wealthy also use tax deductions to their advantage. They know that certain expenses, like charitable donations or mortgage interest, can be written off. By maximizing these deductions, they can reduce their taxable income. Investment strategies are another way the wealthy avoid taxes. They might invest in tax-deferred accounts, like 401s or IRAs, or they might use tax loss harvesting to offset gains. Some wealthy individuals also use shell companies or trusts to hide their assets. These complex structures can make it hard to track their income and assets. But here's a surprising strategy that even some average earners can use: tax-advantaged retirement accounts. By contributing to accounts like 401s or IRAs, you can reduce your taxable income and save for retirement. Another strategy is to invest in real estate. Rental income can be taxed differently than other types of income, and there are deductions available for mortgage interest and property taxes. The wealthy often use a combination of these strategies to minimize their tax liability. And while some of these tactics might be out of reach for average earners, others can be adapted to fit their financial situation. So, what can you take away from the wealthy individual's playbook? The key is to be proactive about your taxes. Don't just accept the status quo, look for ways to optimize your financial situation. The main difference between the wealthy and regular individuals is their approach to taxes. The wealthy see taxes as an opportunity to optimize their finances, while regular individuals often see them as a burden. By understanding how the wealthy approach taxes, you can make informed decisions about your own financial strategy. You might not be able to use all of their tactics, but you can still learn from their expertise. The strategies discussed can make a significant impact on your financial situation. These are just a few of the strategies that wealthy individuals use to avoid taxes. You can utilize and learn to leverage. To wrap things up, tax avoidance is a game that the wealthy play well. Their approach to taxes gives them a financial edge. What do you think about these strategies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, be sure to subscribe for more content on wealth management.